Hi everyone! Another day, another vlog, another amazing day for each and everyone. Anyway, I want to introduce ourselves. So we are Tebes family. So we live in Sharjah for almost 14 years. So that's mean, dekada na kaming OFW. But before that, we also live in Singapore for almost 6 years. Our life here in UAE are very smooth. So that's why I really love UAE. Because here in UAE, dito ko mas nakilala si Lord. Dito ko mas naramdaman kung gaano ka-importante si Lord sa buhay ng bawat isa. So, I make this account not to impress you about our achievement. I make this account to inspire you the things that we do every day. Our connection, affection, interaction, and family values. Our relationship to each other. At syempre, kung paano gumalaw si Lord sa buhay namin as a family. Syempre, mapipil mo na pag nandyan si Lord sa buhay mo, iba yung saya at level na nararamdaman ng bawat pamilya. Super smooth, super saya. Even though sometimes may mga trials, but pag nakilala mo na siya, everything will be smooth. Ningitian mo na lang. So our family love also to travel. We love to go all around the world. So, we want to see kung gaano kaganda ang ating nature, ang ating kapaligiran. So, we want also family bonding every week. We go outside, then food trip, then more walkathon experience for our family. So, I make this account not to impress everyone. I make this account to save more memories about our family routine or our family bonding. So that when we get old, we can make more memories and we can show it sa mga magiging apo namin. So if you want to visit our account, you can check also our Facebook, TikTok, and also our YouTube account or Instagram. So we love to share and spread the kindness for each and everyone. Love, love, love everyone. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye.